Welcome to the Manifest Success course. In this course, you will learn all the tools you need to master your health, wealth, and happiness, leveraging the tools of manifestation, both on the spiritual side and on the side of science. Now, you may get through this course very quickly, but I highly recommend you go back through the content multiple times and check in daily, if not weekly, throughout the community as we grow this and build this, so you can rely on others and on the coaches themselves to help you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the community at any time, and we'd be happy to help you. All of our teachings are based on the law of attraction, the law of assumption, Neville Goddard's teachings, and other spiritual leaders in the manifestation community. What we have done is we've combined all of the best teachings into one single course that should help you master your health, wealth, and happiness. So now we're going to break down each one throughout the content. So go ahead and click on the next video to get yourself started. Happy dreaming, everyone.